Today I am reviewing the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Xplorer Pro Bundle. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into a camera setup that is completely redefining what an action camera can do. If you have been looking for a single device that bridges the gap between high adrenaline action footage and professional run-and-gun street photography, you're in the exact right place. We are breaking down the all-new Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Xplorer Pro Bundle. Insta360 has been shaking up the camera industry for a while now, but this bundle takes things to a whole new level. By pairing their cutting-edge, AI-powered action camera with a legendary optical powerhouse like Leica, and packing it together with the innovative Xplorer Pro kit, they have created something entirely unique. Let's look at exactly what makes this bundle a must-have for content creators, travelers, and street photographers alike. First, let's talk about the heart of this system, the camera itself. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 features best-in-class hardware, anchored by a massive 1/1.3-inch sensor and a premium Leica SUMMARIT lens. This setup allows you to capture breathtaking, ultra-high-resolution 8K video at 30 frames per second. If you want ultra-smooth high frame rates, you can drop it down to 4K at 60 frames per second with Active HDR enabled. The level of detail, dynamic range, and sharpness you get out of this lens is absolutely spectacular. But what really separates this camera from the competition is how it handles difficult lighting. Action cameras are historically notorious for looking grainy and washed out the second the sun goes down. To solve this, Insta360 packed this device with a groundbreaking dual AI chip architecture, combining a dedicated Pro imaging chip with a powerful 5nm AI chip. Together, they run advanced, real-time noise reduction and image processing algorithms. This powers their famous pure video mode, delivering unbelievable low-light clarity and brightness, turning night scenes into clean, vibrant, cinematic footage. Now, let's talk about the real game-changer in this specific bundle, the Xplorer Pro kit. This accessory completely transforms the physical experience of using an action camera. Instead of holding a tiny, awkward square box or mounting it to a helmet, the Xplorer Pro attaches seamlessly to give you a classic, ergonomic, mirrorless camera feel. It completely alters your shooting habits for the better. The grip features a tactile shutter button, a customizable control dial for precise exposure adjustments on the fly, and a dedicated zoom knob. That zoom knob unlocks the camera's 4K lossless slide zoom. You can pull off smooth, cinematic 1 to 2 times zooming without losing an ounce of image quality. It gives your street photography and vlogging a cinematic touch that traditional action cameras simply can't replicate. Even better, the grip houses a built-in 10 mAh backup battery, significantly extending your shooting time, so you can stay out on your adventures all day long without worry. To complement that Leica lens hardware, the camera includes built-in, exclusive Leica color profiles. With just a single tap in the menu, you can instantly apply signature aesthetics like Leica Natural, Leica Vivid, Eternal, or a stunning B&W high contrast filter. These looks give your photos and videos a premium, retro, or cinematic vibe right inside the camera, completely eliminating the need for tedious color grading in post-production. You can shoot a clip, sync it to your phone via the Insta360 app, and it's instantly ready to share with the world. Just a quick pro tip for when you open up your box. Make sure to immediately upgrade the camera to the latest firmware and app version. This unlocks the full functionality and seamless integration for the Xplorer Pro kit, ensuring the dials, buttons, and battery management communicate flawlessly with the camera's internal operating system. Inside the box, Insta360 gives you everything you need to hit the ground running. You get the Ace Pro 2 camera body, the complete Xplorer Pro kit, and 2 high-capacity batteries, so you always have a backup ready to go. To wrap it all up, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Xplorer Pro Bundle is far more than just a rugged action camera. It is a sophisticated, AI-driven, pocket-sized cinema tool. Whether you are snorkeling down to 12 meters deep, documenting a bustling city street, or shooting in the dead of night, This system delivers professional-grade results with absolute ease. It balances incredible stability, elite low-light performance, and unparalleled physical ergonomics. If you want to elevate your content and enjoy a truly joyful, streamlined shooting experience, this bundle is worth every single penny. Don't forget, if you want to explore the Ace Pro 2 Xplorer Pro Bundle for yourself and grab it at a fantastic price, make sure to check out the links located right below this video.